How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a really cool app that I found over on XDA. It is a Dolby Atmos app for the OnePlus 7T Pro, or it could be used on any other device. So far I've just tried it on the OnePlus 7T. It is a universal APK. I'm sure you could use it on other devices, but it does work and is on the OnePlus 7T. I'm assuming it'll work on the OnePlus 7 Pro as well. And I will post a link in the description down below, and that way you guys can go ahead and check this out. You're pretty much going to want to scroll down to the link. It'll have the information. It's by Razer, and you just scroll down to where it says download APK. You're going to click on that, and then it'll start your download. You're just going to hit download and then install, and this will install this app right here. There's not really much in the settings. You have a tutorial, explore Dolby, and you have movie, music, custom, and with custom and music you have an intelligent equalizer at the bottom. Dynamic sort of does everything for you. So let's go ahead and see or hear the difference between having it on and having it off. Let's go ahead and play some music for you. Alright, let's get this started. So as you can see, it does affect the audio quality of these speakers, and it does work with Bluetooth as well. I have not tried it with wired headphones, but it does work with Bluetooth and your speakers, obviously. As far as the app closing in the background or anything, I just went ahead and went into battery settings and hit do not optimize just in case it affects it, but I don't think it will. But it's really cool. It works really well. You can see you can do the custom to go all the way up to 12 decibels. I do not recommend it for your ear's sake and for your speaker's sake. It might be a little bit too much if you're doing it all the time, but I think dynamic is a sweet spot. It increases the volume and the clarity just a little bit to where it's really nice and noticeable. Movie and music, of course, are self-explanatory. Really nice app. Download it, check it out, see if you like it. Comment down below if you have any issues or your comments on whether or not you think it sounds okay. Hopefully you were able to pick it up on the audio here. I was having issues with my mic, so I was not able to use my mic. So this is all just coming off the mics off the phone that I'm using to record this video on. So that being said, guys, go ahead, check it out. I post a link in the description down below for the forum and the APK. That way you guys can go check it out, download it, and see for yourself. So that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit that little notification bell for future notifications on my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't. That's quite alright, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.